Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today let us discuss boats and streams topic. First point is speed of a man or boat in still water is x kilometers per hour. Speed of water or stream or current is y kilometers per hour. Then speed of a man or boat along or downstream is u. It is sum of the speeds x plus y kilometers per hour. Speed of a man or boat against or upstream is v. That is difference x minus y kilometers per hour. The value of x can be found by u plus v by 2. From this we get x. U minus v by 2 is equal to 2y by 2, that is y. If the distance between the two places is k kilometers is given, time taken for the upstream is k by x minus y hours, that is distance by speed. Time taken for downstream is k by x plus y hours. Total time is k by x minus y plus k by x plus y hours. See a question first. Speed of the man is x kilometers per hour in still water. If rate of the current is 3 kilometers per hour, find the effective speed of man upstream. From the question, we can write x value is 8 and y value is 3. Now find the effective speed of man upstream. Upstream is v is equal to x minus y. That is 8 minus 3, that is 5 kilometers per hour is the effective speed of the man upstream. The question is, a man can row upstream at 10 kilometers per hour and downstream at 16 kilometers per hour speed. Find the man's rate in still water. From the information given in the question, we know that v is equal to 10, u is equal to 16. This is the downstream and this is the upstream. From this we get x is equal to u plus v by 2. That is 10 plus 16 by 2. 26 by 2. That is 13 kilometers per hour. Third question. A man can row 3 by 4th of a kilometer against the stream in 11 minutes 15 seconds and return in 7 minutes 30 seconds. Find the speed of the man in still water and the speed of the stream. Speed of the man while going downstream can be written as 3 by 4th of a kilometer, that is 3 by 4 into 1 into the time taken is 7 minutes 30 seconds is 7 1 by 2. So we get this as 3 by 4 into 1 into 2 by 15 into 60. We get this as 6 kilometers per hour. That is the speed when going downstream is 6 kilometers per hour. Speed of the man while going upstream is 3 by 4th of the kilometer. That is 3 by 4 into 1 into 1 by 11, 1 by 4 into 60. 15 3 is 15, 4 and 4 get cancelled, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So the speed of the man upstream is 4 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of the man in still water is 6 plus 4 by 2, that is 5 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of the stream is 6 minus 4 by 2. We get this as 1 kilometer per hour. Fourth question. A man rows upstream 20 kilometers and downstream 30 kilometers in 5 hours each. Find the speed of the current. Now we should find the speed upstream and downstream. That is v is equal to 20 by 5. We get this as 4 kilometers per hour and u, that is speed downstream is 30 by 5, which is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. Now we should find y value. Y is equal to u minus v by 2, that is 6 minus 4 by 2. 1 kilometer per hour is the speed of the current. Fifth question. If rate of stream is y kilometers per hour, a man takes n times as long as to row up as to row down. Rate of the man in still water is y into n plus 1 by n minus 1 kilometers per hour. The question. A man takes twice as long as row up as to row down the river. If the rate of the river is 4 kilometers per hour, find the rate of the man in still water. From the information given in the question, y is equal to 4 and n is equal to 2. Now substituting the values, 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. We get this as 4 into 3 by 1. That is 12 kilometers per hour. Sixth question. The speed of the boat in still water is 8 kilometers per hour. Rate of the current is 4 kilometers per hour. Find the distance travelled downstream and upstream in 5 minutes. Now the distance travelled upstream is speed into time. Speed is 8 minus 4 into time is 5 minutes. Converting this into hours divided by 60. We get this as 4 into 5 by 60. So the distance travelled is 1 by 3 kilometers upstream in 5 minutes. Now the distance travelled downstream is the relative speed is 8 plus 4 into 5 by 60. That is 12 into 5 by 60. 12 and 12 times once. We get this as 1 kilometer. Seventh question. The speed of the boat in still water is 6 kilometers per hour. Speed of the stream is 1.5 kilometers per hour. A man rows to a place at a distance of 22.5 kilometers and comes back to the starting point. Find the total time taken by him. Boat upstream speed is 6 minus 1.5, which is 4.5 kilometers per hour. Boat downstream speed is 6 plus 1.5, that is 7.5 kilometers per hour. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. The distance is given as 22.5 by the speed is 4.5 plus 22.5 by the speed is 7.5. We get this as 5 plus 3, that is 8 hours is the total time. 8th question. A man can row 6 kilometers per hour in still water. When the river is running at 1.2 kilometer per hour, it takes 1 hour to row a place to and back. How far is the place? Now the man's upstream speed is 6 minus 1.2. We get this as 4.8 kilometers per hour. Man's downstream speed is 6 plus 1.2. This is 7.2 kilometers per hour is a man's downstream speed. Let the distance be x kilometers. Now x by, that is distance by speed is 7.2 plus x by speed is 4.8 is equal to the total time taken is 1 hour. So 4.8x plus 7.2x is equal to 7.2 into 4.8. This can be written as x is equal to 7.2 into 4.8 by 12. From this we get x value is equal to 2.88 kilometers. That is the total distance is 2.88 kilometers. 9th question. In a stream running at 2 kilometers per hour, a motorboat goes 10 kilometers upstream and back again to the starting point in 55 minutes. Find the speed of the motorboat in still water. Let the speed of the motorboat in still water be x kilometers per hour. Now the total distance is 10 by speed is x plus 2 plus 10 by the speed is x minus 2 is equal to 55 minutes. Converting this into hours, divided by 60. 11 times and 12 times. We get this as 240. X is equal to 11 x square minus 44. That is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 11 x square minus 240x minus 44 is equal to 0. We get this as x minus 22 and 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. From this we get two values. The speed can't be negative. So x is equal to 22 is correct. Speed of the motorboat in still water is 22 kilometers per hour. Now let us see a note point. A man can row x kilometers upstream, y kilometers downstream in t1 hours. X2 kilometers upstream, y2 kilometers downstream in t2 hours. Then upstream speed of man is x1 y2 minus x2 y1 by y2 t1 minus y1 t2. Downstream speed of man is x1 y2 minus x2 y1 by x1 t2 minus x2 t1. 10th question. A man can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. He can row 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in 13 hours. Find the rate of the man in still water and the rate of the current. In order to find these, first we need to find the upstream speed and downstream speed of the man. Upstream speed formula is this. From this, x1 is equal to 30, x2 is equal to 40, y1 is equal to 44 and y2 is equal to 55. T1 is equal to 10 and T2 is equal to 13. Now substituting the values, 30 into 55 minus 40 into 44 by 50 into 10 minus 44 into 13. We get the value as minus 110 by minus 22. That is 5 kilometers per hour is the upstream speed. Downstream speed of the man, substituting the values in the formula, that is 30 into 55 minus 40 into 44. That is the numerator is same by 30 into 13 minus 40 into 10. We get this as minus 110 by minus 10. That is 11 kilometers per hour is the downstream speed. Speed of the man in still water is sum of the speeds, that is 5 plus 11 by 2. We get this as 8 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of the stream is 11 minus 5 by 2. That is 3 kilometers per hour. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends.